Have you ever noticed how we take something simple and just make it hard? We complicate it until it breaks, and then we wonder why we are struggling. I used to do this with meditation. It's actually kind of funny. If meditation was just 2 plus 2, I was over in the corner trying to solve for x using advanced calculus. It was exhausting and it was completely unnecessary. So, let's just pause for a second. If you have felt frustrated or like you are bad at this, it is not a lack of discipline. It's because you've been practicing struggle and calling it meditation. The second you see that, something in your chest finally relaxes. By the end of this, you will not have a new technique to memorize. You will just have a few less things to carry. And what's left? It's surprisingly easy. We usually think meditation needs more of effort, more of focus, some secret level we have not unlocked yet. But that belief is exactly what creates the friction. You are not struggling because you are not doing enough. You're struggling because you're doing too much. It's like learning to swim. Watch someone who can't swim yet. It is intense, right? Arms flailing, panic kicking. They're working so hard just not to sink. But look at a pro. They look almost lazy. The water is doing the work for them. Meditation is the same. The more effort you bring, the heavier it feels. The less you do, the more natural it becomes. But we love the trap of learning. We look for new methods, new books, new clicks. We study it like a complex subject when it is actually a one-line practice buried under a mountain of noise. You do not need more understanding. You need less interference. So, here is the one line. The right thing is returning when you notice you are gone. The right way is not being mad that you left. That is it. Your mind wonders. That is its job. You notice it. That is your job. You do not have to fight the thoughts. You just don't have to follow them out the door. And this is the part where most people quit. But it's actually where the magic happens. When you notice you have drifted, that is not a failure. That is the exact moment meditation starts. You notice, you return. No drama, no fixing yourself. You're not trying to make the moment better. You're just coming back to what is already here. It feels too simple to be real, but simplicity is the whole point. We usually wait for it to feel easy before we commit to it, but it actually works the other way. You sit anyway, even when it is boring, even when nothing cool happens, and slowly it gets easier. Not because you level up, but because you stop getting in your own way. Here is the quiet truth. If you can notice that you are distracted, you already know how to meditate. That noticing is the only skill there is. No mystery, no hidden levels. So next time you sit, try this. Don't do meditation. Just notice when you leave and gently come back. That one small moment is more than enough. If this helped you, stay with Finding Meditation. And like I always say, keep meditating.